From index number chapter, we have learned so many methods for measuring index number. We have discussed what is family budget method, what is simple aggregative expenditure method. We have also learned how to deflate or inflate the index number. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important method of index number. It is very important. Maximum times from index number chapter, we are seeing a question from this method that is called Fisher-Idle index number. H in the topic, we have written that idle index number, it means it's the best methods for measuring index number. So this method is called Fisher's idle index number. This is only method which satisfy two type of the test for index number, that is called time reversal test and factor reversal test. Due to this method is called Fisher's idle index number. So the very first we will learn what is the formula for Fisher's idle index number, and later we will discuss another things of the Fisher's. So for Fisher's idle index number, if you want to learn Fisher's idle index number, you have to learn 10 multiplied by 11, 00 multiplied by 01. You have to learn this. 10 multiplied by 11, 00 multiplied by 01. So the Fisher's idle index number, price of current year on the base of base year. O is base year, 1 is current year. So Fisher idle index number P01. So this is the trick to remember the formula 10110001. So here sigma P1Q0, that is 10. Sigma P1Q0 10 divided by sigma P0Q0 00 under root, multiply by sigma P1Q1 divided by sigma P0Q1 multiply by 100. This formula is called the Fisher's idle index formula. Here Q0 is quantity of base year, P0 is the price of base year, Q1 is the quantity of current year, and P1 is price of current year. So sigma P1Q0 is the multiplication of the current year price with base year quantity. Addition of this, that is called sigma P1Q0. It is a multiplication of the current year price with base year quantity, that is sigma P0Q0. Similarly, sigma P0Q0 is the multiplication of base year price multiplication with base year quantity, that is called P0Q0. If we are calculate sigma P1Q1, it means we are multiplying the current year quantity with the current year price. The addition of this will be called sigma P1Q1, and later sigma P0Q1, that is current year current year quantity multiplied by the base year price. The addition of this will be called sigma P0Q1. So for getting the formula for that Fisher idle index number, that is P01, that is sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0 multiplied by sigma P1Q1 divided by sigma P0Q1 multiplied by 100. One more time I am writing the trick of this, then later we will discuss the various test of these. P01, it means price index of current year on the base of base year, that is base year, and 1 is current year. So that will be under root 10 sigma P1Q0, 1 or 0 10, 00. So sigma P0Q0 multiply by sigma P1 Q1. 1 sigma P1 Q1. Multiplication of current year price with current year quantity, that is sigma P1 Q1. Multiplication of base year quantity with the base year price, that is P0 Q0. Multiplication of current year price with base year quantity, that is P1 Q0, and divided by sigma P0 Q0, that P0 Q1, that is the base year price multiplied by the current year quantity and multiplied by the 100. That is called Fisher-Idle index number. This method is called idle index number because it satisfies the reversal test is over there. So we will having the test of reversibility. Test of reversibility. Test of reversibility. First one is time reversal test. Time reversal test means quantity price index of current year on the base of base year. This is the price index of current year on the basis of base year. Multiply the price of base year on the price of base year on the behalf of current year. The multiplication should be 1. That is called time reversal test. It means the index number of the current year on basis of base year multiplied by the index number of base year on the basis of current year. The multiplication should be 1. So as we know, sigma P01, that is already we know, that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 11 divided by sigma P0 Q1. Okay. Now 10 P10, it means 0 1 is at the place of 0 or 1 is 0 is place of 1. Here 0 is there, on the place of 0 we have written 1. Here the 1 is over there, on the place of 1 we have written 0. So in this also we will do the same. Where we are getting 1, we will say 0. Sigma P0. 0 is over there, 1. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 and 0. What we have done? Here is 1, written 0. 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 to 1 1 to 0, because this is change. We have changed 0 to 1 1 to 0. So in these also we have changed the same direction. 1 is over there, 0. Sigma P1 P0 Q0 Q1 P1 Q1 P0 Q0 P0 Q0 P1 Q1 0 to 1 1 to 0. So multiplication of this sigma P01 guna P10, we are having the multiplication of this, that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 sigma P0 Q1 multiply by sigma P0 Q1 sigma P1 Q1 multiply sigma P0 Q0 multiply sigma P1 Q0. Okay. So for time reversal test, what we have done, we have multiplied the index of the index number of current year on the basis of base year and index number of the base year on the basis of current year. The multiplication should be 1. So here we can say sigma P0 Q0 sigma P0 Q0, that is up, that is down. Sigma P1 Q1 sigma P1 Q1 up down. Sigma P1 Q0 sigma P1 Q0 and sigma P0 Q1 sigma P0 Q1. So P01 guna P10, the multiplication is under root 1. So we will say P01 guna P10 multiplication is 1. So first is proved that Fisher-Idle index number satisfy the time reversal test. Okay. So it's very simple. What we have done, just we change 0 to 1, 1 to 0. So in also 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 to 0, 0. Similarly, we are getting, so in the case of Fisher ideal index number, this ideal index number satisfy the time reversal test. Second test, that is called factor reversal test. Factor reversal test, second test, which is called factor reversal test. That is price index on basis of current year into quantity index on should be equal to sigma P1 Q1 beta sigma P0 Q0. Factor reversal test, what is saying that the price index, that is P01, and the quantity index, that is Q01, the multiplication of the price index, it means the price index of the current year on the basis of base year and the quantity index of the current year on the basis of base year, the multiplication of both should be equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. As we know that P01 is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1. This is price index. This is price index, thus 10, 11, 11, 00, 01. Quantity index, for getting the quantity index, we change P to Q, Q to P. So our price index will be changed to the quantity index. It means we have to change here P is P1 and P1 Q0, changing P1 to Q1, Q0 to P0. Okay, P0 to Q0, Q1 to P0, Q0 to P0. What we are changing? Quantity index is over there. So let learn the trick of this. What we are doing here, the P1 is over there. So making P1 is Q1, Q0 to P0, P0 to Q0, Q0 to P0. Now P1 to Q1 change, Q1 to P1 change. Similarly, coming here, P0 to Q0, P0 to Q0 or Q1 to P1. So this is called quantity index. This will call quantity index. What we have done, againly I am explaining, we are having P1. So P1 change to Q1, Q0 change to P0, P1 change to Q1, Q1 change to P1, P0 change to Q0, Q0 change to P0, P0 change to Q0, Q1 change to P1. So multiplication of both P01 multiply Q01, that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiply by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiply this value sigma P0 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P1 Q0. Sigma P1 Q0 upside, sigma P1 Q0 downside. Sigma P0 Q1 down, sigma P0 Q1 up. So there will be sigma P1 Q1 raised to power 2 divided by sigma P0 Q0 raised to power 2. So that will be P01 and Q01. Both are square. So we can write P01 guna Q01, that is sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. So this is called factor reversal test. And this test also satisfied by the Fisher ideal index number. So the major, these two tests satisfy the Fisher's index number. That's why Fisher index number is called ideal index number. None of other index number, like we are having Dробis index number, we are having Passe index number, we are having Bowley index number, we are having Marshall Edgeworth index number. So all these index number does not satisfy these tests. These tests are like time reversal test or factor reversal test. That's why we will say that Fisher's index number is ideal index number. Other index number does not satisfy these tests. Now one test, or maybe one more test we have to discuss, that is we have discussed two tests already, factor reversal test and time reversal test. Next one, third one is called circular test. Third one is called circular test. Circular test. Third one test. You may not think that Fisher index number is ideal index number, so it will satisfy all the tests. Only to satisfy the two tests, we will say this is ideal index number. That first one is time reversal test, second one is that is a factor reversal test. Circular reversal test, Fisher's ideal index number does not satisfy circular test. So you may learn in N.E.T also. I have seen, when I have given the N.E.T paper, I have seen a question that among these, which test does not satisfy the Fisher ideal index number. I have done that the circular test not satisfy the Fisher ideal index number. Rest of the student think that it's an ideal index number, so it may be satisfy all the tests which may be available. So they have choice, they have take the wrong answer, I have take the correct answer. That's why I am explaining you that the circular test is not satisfied by the Fisher index number. This test is current year index number on the basis of base year, next year index number on the basis of current year, and base year index number on basis of second year should be 1. It means that circular test is what the circular test is. Circular test is saying that P01 guna P12 guna P21 should be equal to 1. It means these all equal to 1, but this test satisfy only such of the condition where we are not using the weight, etc. If we are not using weight in index number, then circular test is satisfied. But in Fisher ideal index number, we use the weight is over there, we use the quantity is over there, so the Fisher ideal index number is not satisfy this test. You may learn. So in this video we have discussed what is Fisher ideal index number. For Fisher ideal index number, the very first I have told that you may learn this symbol 10 multiply 11 divided by 00 multiply by 01. So the formula you can create very easily, that is sigma P1 Q0, that is 10, divided by sigma P0 Q0, that is 00, multiply by sigma P1 Q1, 10 multiply 11, sigma P0 Q1, and multiply by 100. So this is called Fisher ideal index number. So I think this video will be helpful for you to learn how to calculate Fisher ideal index number. Why Fisher's index number is called ideal index number? Because it satisfied the time reversal test and factor reversal test. So I think this video will be helpful to know each and everything of the Fisher ideal index number. In next video we will do that 1 or 2 questions related to the Fisher ideal index number. Thank you.